Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 Mini Cooper S. So from any screen, it's on the radio at the moment. See there, if you click the menu, you've got telephone. So click to select telephone. It's searching for paired devices, but you've got BT here. So if we press these buttons at the end for BT, you've got BT devices, delete. We want to delete. Delete Barry's iPhone. Yes. Now then, that also tells you a story about who this vehicle used to belong to. So I think we were on the right track before.